In this video we're going to explore the various sources of help in ZebraCut. So let us launch ZebraCut. The first thing to say is that there is a help menu on the ribbon inside ZebraCut. If you're not familiar with the interface in ZebraCut, you might wish to start a tour which will give you various pop-ups which explain how the various areas of the ZebraCut interface work. And you can step through the tour and explore the various pieces of functionality. You'll also find that various parts of the ZebraCut interface have their own individual tours, such as the preparation system, which again has its own tour, which I invite you to follow through and explore. The main source of help in ZebraCut is the help system, which you can launch by going to Help and then clicking on Zebra Help. That'll bring up this help window. And you can see there are various pieces of information in the help menu here. One useful place to start might be to look at the first install document, which will give you various recommendations for setting up ZebraCut. There's also a video about that in this playlist. If you want to know what's changed in ZebraCut in the latest version, you can go to What's New, and that will bring up a document here exploring all of the different things that have been updated, improved or fixed inside ZebraCut. Now in these documents you can obviously search for various entries, and that searches within a document. You're also able to print these out, send them to the printer, or you can save them, and you can save them as a Word document for later reference. The help system contains help on various GUI, various tabs of the GUI, explaining how the various buttons and options work. You can also find help on the preparation system and on each of the individual steps. You can see a good example under multiple copy, and you can see an explanation of every option for the multiple copy preparation step and the default values for it. Some remarks to advise you on how best to use it, and then examples giving you a scenario, a solution, and settings you should apply, and the expected result. Again, if you wish to look at this later on, you can save or print the document. And should you wish to look at the help in its entirety, you are welcome to generate a manual, and that will export a single Word document containing the entirety of the ZebraCut help system, currently well over 100 pages worth of help documentation for you. You can also see there are a number of install options and Zebra examples, which I'll go through in a subsequent video. Thank you very much.